Hi, we have a beautiful Easter Bunny children's gold book or a golden book. So it's hashtag JJ book review. So Drunk Journal book review. It's an open collab, so anybody can do it. You know, if you've got books in your library or in your stash and you want to share them with people, and you know, because it's really hard to try to you know, see the inside of these books when you're looking at them, like, you know, online or used bookstores online, you know, and you can't see it. And it just drives me nuts that, you know, I see a book cover that I like, but what does it look like on the inside? And a lot of the book places online don't show you what's inside. And if they do, it's maybe like a couple pages. But so I thought I would start doing this. I've been doing it for a little while now. So anyways, this is a golden book, The Story of the Easter Bunny by Sheila Black, illustrated by Robin Officer. Really cute children's book, and it's pretty large too. Here's the back. This one does have an ISBN number. I'll put it here on the screen so you can see it if you want to try to search for it on the internet. Back in the day, or back then, it was $3.49. So let's take a measurement. It is 8 5/8 by 11 1/4. So it's a larger book. I love my larger books. I don't know why, but I just do. So it's got really nice end papers in here, really thick paper. And this is 1988 edition. And I just love this vanilla page color, and the you know, the illustrations are just awesome. I just love them. So this would be beautiful for, oh look it, they're just so delicate, so beautiful pictures. Look at those. And these are sewn in also. So I love the large pictures and then some writing. I do love that. Oh, here's a winter scene. Oops. Too early. Aren't they just darling? I just love it. And this, the font on here is almost like it's bold, you know, on it. So, really cute book. Really, really cute. Love it. All right. So, thanks for watching. All right. Bye-bye.